Oh my gosh, I love this thing. I have to say it took me a few minutes to understand how it works, so let me show you how, because it is a game changer. Once the mop pole is put together, the mop pad is velcroed on. The mop bucket is divided into two sections. The middle section has a clear covering. Pull the covering off, fill that with your clean water, then place the cover back over it. Place the mop bottom over the middle of the mop bucket. Unlock the handle and press the handle down. This will create a spinning motion that also adds clean water to the mop pad. After a few pumps of that, go ahead and lock the handle, then use the mop. It doesn't add too much water either. The mop pad isn't sopping wet, which is great, especially when I'm using this on my wood flooring. It's just the right amount of wet to thoroughly mop the area, but without leaving it soaking wet. Then when you need to rinse the mop pad and/or add more water to it, you do the first process over again by placing the bottom over the middle of the bucket and pressing down, but this time do it more than a few times. You will then see the dirty water expel from the mop pad. This is cleaning the mop pad and then adding clean water to the pad so that you can use it again. Because of the structure of this mop bucket, it isn't mixing the dirty and clean water. This is a brilliant idea. Also, with the mop pad being the shape that it is, you could easily use this to wash your walls or other areas of your home, but so far I have loved using this for my floors. When you are finished mopping, remove the Velcro pad and wash right in your washing machine. Then take the mop bucket wherever you would like to dispose the dirty water, remove the rubber type of spout, allow the dirty water to pour out. I then remove the top clean water cover and wash this out as normal. Then I put it all back together so it is ready to use the next time I need to mop. I can't believe how much this mop pad soaked up, how well it cleaned, and how well this mop bucket does exactly what it is designed to do. This is fantastic. It's a complete game changer. I love it, and I'm so glad this was gifted to me from the seller to tell you all about it. I highly recommend it.